Welcome. If you're looking to control who can post stories in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest updates, managing admin permissions has become more straightforward, giving you greater control over your group's content and privacy. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to prevent an admin from posting stories in your Telegram group. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Telegram Web. Once you're logged in, navigate to the group where you have admin rights. It's important to note that you need to be an admin yourself to change these settings. Now, click on the name of your group at the top of the chat window. This will bring up the group's profile and settings page. Here, look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a pencil or gear symbol. Click on it to enter the group's editing mode. In the editing menu, find and select the administrators section. This is where you can view all the admins in your group and customize their permissions. Scroll through the list and click on the admin whose ability to post stories you want to restrict. A new window will appear, showing all the permissions granted to this admin. Look for the option labeled Post Stories. To prevent this admin from posting stories, simply disable this permission by toggling it off. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save to apply the new settings. That's it. The selected admin will no longer be able to post stories in your group, helping you maintain the content and privacy standards you want. Managing admin permissions in Telegram groups is essential for keeping your community organized and secure. With just a few clicks, you can decide exactly who gets to share stories and who doesn't. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with confidence.